Hi, my name is Danica, and today I am presenting you with this screencast in hopes to help give you some insight about how important nonverbal communication is during formal presentations. The video that we will be analyzing today is a public apology speech from former Olympic track athlete Marion Jones. Marion had been an icon in the athletic world for being the first woman to ever win 5 track and field medals at a single Olympics in 2000. So, let's take a look at her apology speech. So, as you can see, Marion is taking her apology speech very seriously. She does not appear to be reading off a script of any kind, but rather just speaking from her heart. She makes sure to scan the whole crowd in order to make eye contact with as many people as she can, showing that she cares about everyone who is present there. When looking at her facial expressions throughout the speech, it is easy to notice how hard it is for her to get through this apology. There are a couple times where her emotions get the best of her, showing how sincere and sorry she really is. So as we are analyzing Marion Jones' body language and facial expressions, we can see that nonverbal communication can be just as important as verbal communication. In this case, we don't even have to hear her voice to see how deeply sorry she is. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that I was able to provide you with some helpful information about the importance of nonverbal communication.